Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Seems like forever. So guys, I'm just gonna go straight into the video, and I'm going in with my CoverGirl's concealer. Then I'm going in with this shade from my Santee palette as my transition shade. Then just blending everything because I'm going to be using some colors, as you can see, a little bit of green, a little bit of yellow. Then I'm just gonna do a little bit of, excitement at my crease, So guys, I'm just blending, as you can see, just blending, going in a windscreen wiper mode. So using this brush from my brush set, it's I think a 10-piece kabuki brush set. Yeah, so I'm using that to just conceal my eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and that is going to be my eyeshadow base, because we have to ensure that our base is nice and set, so when we go in with colors, everything is nice and popping. So I'm using my brush now. This is an angle brush to just ensure that the line is nice and crisp and clean, so we have everything nice and clean to the T, because that's what I'm all about. And I'm just blending with it right now, as you can see. Then what I'm gonna be doing right now, I'm gonna go in with this really super big palette. This is from my kit. It came with the palette. This palette came with the kit, and I'm going in with this nice green. It's super pigmented, and I'm using my applicator, guys, because sometimes the colors won't pop unless you use your fingers, or sometimes it will pop if you use the applicator. So don't throw out your applicators, guys. You can use it to add shadows, especially the really pigmented ones. So I'm using the applicator sponge to just add all the shadow to the center of my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with this yellow. Now I'm going to add that to the inner portion and the outer portion of my eyes to just get all the nice colors popping. You know what I mean? And as you can see, do you realize that all the colors are popping even though I'm using the applicator? So guys, don't throw out your applicators. You can actually use them to apply shadows. Okay, so I'm going at the outer corner of my V, and I'm just adding that yellow shadow again. Then I'm gonna go in with a deeper green. It's like similar to the green that I used earlier, but I just decided to use a green. I'm not sure why I used the green. But anyway, I'm using that now, and I'm kind of creating this what do you call it, a double like eyeshadow look. Yeah, because I wanted the transition color, which is this little greenish color, but I don't want you, what do you call it again? I'll find the name for you and give you in the description. Sorry about that, guys. Sometimes I go blank. But anyway, so I'm just adding that, and as you can see, I'm creating this this V, and I'm just using the brush now to just blend everything so it's nice, and it's looking all nice. You know what I'm talking about? But guys, I'm telling you, I really didn't know what I was doing right here. I just, the creativity in me. Yeah guys, that creative juice in me was like popping. It was like spilling, and I just decided to go with, the flow. So I'm just using my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm using my angle brush to just clean up the edges, because we want that nice, sharp, crisp line, because we want that, the look to really look really nice. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning up above my brow bone where the color is, and below where the color is below my eyes, right there. Then I'm gonna go in with the same brush that I used earlier to just blend everything. Then I'm gonna go in with this nice, clay looking brown, and I'm just gonna take that in the where I didn't add any shadow, that space, so that it could really separate the shadows, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so I'm just cleaning up again with the invisible sponge, applicator sponge, and yeah, and I'm kind of looking nice. So we're gonna go in with our foundation, and I'm using my Clean Color setting spray. Gonna go in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Not wasting any time guys. Not in the color Fawn, in the color Coffee. Then I'm using my beauty sponge to just blend the concealer Yeah, and I'm going in a patted motion so everything is nice and blended. Yeah, going under my chin and all of my face, you know what I mean? And just blending. Then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just adding that under my eyes, my forehead, my nose bridge, and above my my nose or above my lips. Then I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge to blend everything, because you know we have to blend everything out. Yeah, so that's coming pretty soon. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge now. Yeah, and we're gonna blend everything out pretty much. Just blending, guys, as you can see. So now I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just gonna use that to just set my concealer or the highlighted portion of my face. I'm just adding that under my eyes. I'm gonna add some above my my lips or my mouth, as you can see, or below my nose, to just set everything. Then I'm gonna go in with my Jordana pressed powder, and I'm just gonna use that to kind of set my face, my low lights and so forth, and just add that under my neck so we have everything nice and bronzy, because we're trying to ensure that, you know, we get that sun-kissed look, you know what I mean? Then I'm gonna go in my LA Girls Glam Kit. Yes, guys, I hate pan, but I use this very often to do my, you know, contour, my slight contouring, if you know what I mean. And I'm using this brush now, this from the same 10-piece kabuki brush set that I have, and I'm just blending. Then I'm gonna go in with this color, guys. Yes, guys, yes, you can use it as your blush, you know, but we want that sun-kissed look, so that's the reason why I went in with that shade. So I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm doing a little bit of reverse contouring. So right now I'm gonna go in with my kabuki brush from the kabuki brush set, and I'm using that to just blend away all the powder that we use to highlight or to set or highlighting. Then I'm gonna go in with my Amazing Beauty highlighter, guys. Yeah, and I'm highlighting the highest point of my, you know, my cheekbone, and you know, getting all of my face, everything all snatched and nice. So I'm gonna go down my nose bridge, above my forehead, and above my cupid's bow, and just blending pretty much. And we're almost close to our finished look, guys. Can't wait. Yeah, pretty much just blending everything, as you can see, everything. Then right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna ensure that we add some color to our lower lash line, because we have to ensure that everything that's happening above, all that excitement, we want everything to happen below. Then we're adding our mascara. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in with my Air Woman liner, and I'm gonna be lining my lips. This is a darker brown, and we're just gonna go in with these two colors, these two lip colors. Gonna go in with this really red, orangish red color. I'm just gonna add all of that to my lips. Then I'm gonna go in with the deeper red, so we can get that nice, you know, popping red lips, if you know what I mean. And just blending everything, and yeah. Then I'm gonna go in with my setting spray, and this is our LA Girls Pro. Yes, are you ready for the finished look, guys? Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so this is the finished look, and I am loving every bit of my makeup. The eye makeup, foundation routine, it is off the chain. Guys, wasn't expecting it to come out this gorgeous, but it did. And the eyes, just freestyle, just my creation. And guys, I am loving it. Yeah, so this is the complete package. And guys, I am rocking my Anna Bliss crochet wig. Yeah, it's a crochet wig, and she is gorgeous. She is a stunning mama. This is the gorgeous look. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh my god, it means so much to me. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share, you know. Please subscribe, please subscribe. Yeah, please, I beg you. Yeah, so subscribe to this channel if it is that you love or you like what you're seeing, you know. Talk to me, let's be friends. Let me know what you like and what you guys want to see on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, bye bye, see you later.